Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and confirming two-step verification if needed. This secures access. Next, install Google Drive for desktop or Open Drive. Google.com, make sure you use the same account. Once done, choose which folders you want backed up: desktop, documents, pictures, or custom paths on your machine. Click the Drive app icon, then select Add Folder to backup. This initial setup makes sure your chosen files sync continuously and prevents accidental omissions. Now configure how syncing works and why those choices matter. In Drive for desktop, pick whether to stream files or mirror My Drive. Streaming saves local space, mirroring keeps offline copies. Then set Upload Preferences. Original quality preserves full resolution, while compressed saves storage. Choose based on quota. Make sure to set bandwidth limits or proxy settings if you have limited internet. This prevents throttling other tasks. Finally, confirm automatic start on login, so backups resume after reboots. Finish by validating your backup. Open Drive. Google.com and confirm files and timestamps match your source. If there are conflicts, decide to keep both copies or overwrite. This avoids data loss. Check your Google Drive storage quota. Upgrade if near limit. If uploads stall, restart the Drive app, sign out and back in, or briefly disable firewall and VPN to test connectivity. If problems persist, free space and re-add the failing folder. That often forces a clean rootload and resolves sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.